The AcuSpark 2 app is like an interactive instruction manual. Now, first thing, when you download this free app, you want to go down to the bottom here, go to where it says Info and Machine Model, because this app is good for two different machines, the Memorycraft 9480 and the Continental M8. Now, I have the Continental M8, so that's the one I've chosen. Push Done. Now we can go back and go up to the top here. The QR code scan tool is really useful because you'll see this QR code in the corner of your screen. Now, what this does is it gives you information about the stitch that's selected. So for our straight stitch, I'm going to go here, use that little button right there. It scans it and it gives me stitch pattern information, manual stitch settings, and a lot of information, as you can see. If I'm going to do, let's say, a quilt block, this shows 6 different quilt patterns that you can use to make a quilt block, like the log cabin quilt. I can use the QR code scan tool and get lots of information about how to cut the logs for the log cabin, how to put them together, what foot to use, lots of different information, and how to actually put 4 of these quilt blocks together. The AcuSpark 2 app is very useful. We have several other videos on this machine. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a like. And if you have comments, questions, or ideas for other videos you'd like to see, let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.